Hi everyone, this is Padmavati. I have 12 years experience in teaching. Main motive of this channel is for the page-wise revision. We are seeing a surface chemistry part 9. Previous video we have seen about the shape selective catalyst. Now we are going into the new topic, that is colloids and the types of classification of colloids. Before going into that colloids, there are what are the different types of mixture we have to know. So first we are going to see about what is colloids. What is the definition of a colloid? We know that a solution is solute plus solvent. That is, a solute and a solvent mixed together forms a solution, right? So what is a colloid? A colloid is a heterogeneous system in which one substance is dispersed phase and a very fine particle in another substance is called as dispersed medium. Here, dispersed phase in a dispersed medium is called as colloids. So what we are going to, before going into the colloids, we have to know about the different types of mixture. See, there are three types of mixture: true, colloids and suspension. If you see about the size of the particle, it is very less than 1 nanometer. The colloids is 10 to 1000 nanometer, and the suspension particle size is above 1000 nanometer. If you see about the visibility, it is not visible. The true solution is not visible, and they cannot be seen here in the colloids. If you see, they cannot be seen even by the ultra microscope, and here the suspension can be seen with the naked eye. So what about the separation? How it can be separated? So the true solution, it cannot be separated. It is not possible for the separation. Here also it is not possible for the separation using the filter paper, but the suspension can be filtered by a filter. And what is a Patchman? Even the separation by the Patchman membrane, here the true solution cannot be separated even by the Patchman membrane, and the colloids can be separated by the Patchman membrane and the suspension. And what about the remaining difference? So the true solution is homogeneous, colloids it's heterogeneous, and the suspension is also heterogeneous. Settling property. See, they do not settle down under gravity. They don't even settle. The true solution, they will not, because it is completely mixed. And heterogeneous, if you take it also do not settle. That is, the colloids will not settle even under the centrifugation force. But here the suspension, they will be settling down. Diffusion of the membrane, diffusion through a membrane. It diffuse readily, it diffuse slowly, it does not diffuse at all. Appearances. So transparent, turbid, opaque. Transparent, turbid, opaque. So this is about the true solution structure, and it is extremely small. It will be made, for example, water with salt. The salt will be completely mixed with the solution, that is water, right? Next, here colloid solution, the general example we take is milk, and for the suspension, that is water mixed with mud. We can even see that in a in a naked eye. So these are the examples, and this is about the colloids. So what are the different types of colloids? So what I have said, the dispersed phase and dispersed medium, and the size, colloids particles size, different types. Thank you, children.